If you're a poultry farmer and you are not making your own feed in your farm, I have a secret to give you in this particular video. I pity you because you are just like a very good signboard under the sun and rain, pointing to a very 5-star hotel where people go and eat and come out with toothpick and wave at the signboard.
Hello, we are in another topic today. Feed formulation for poultry and livestock. Why farmers should make feed on their own farm. You don't need to be told that it is cost saving. It cuts down the cost and expenses of commercial feed. Nutritional control over your own feed. You have customized feed based on specific flock needs. Freshness, as you are giving the feed to them immediately. It avoids degradation from prolonged storage. Most of the commercial feed you buy, some of them stock this feed for longer period. Before the feed reaches your hand, the feed must have dropped. You see some weevils, some of all these pests must have eaten some of the ingredients in the feed. I don't know whether you have not seen this. Most of the times you buy feed, you open it, you see something flying out. You see certain birds flying out from the feed. These things they have been feeding on this feed. And if the nutritional value is 100%, they have cut it down to 50%. So when you feed it to your birds, they will not get the maximum result you need. So when you produce your own feed, you feed them at the time you need it, and you produce more. And the freshness is always there. Please, innovation. You experiment with organic and locally available ingredients, which aid feed conversion and feed oxidation, thereby reducing the cost of running your poultry and livestock animals. Sustainability is always there because you utilize farm waste products like cassava peas, cassava leaves, yam potato and others, pineapple, orange peas and others. You utilize them within your environment to reduce the cost and at the same time enhance the feed quality. So all these are what you gain using your own feed, making your own feed in your farm. It doesn't take much. It only gets little equipment that can help you to grind them. That's all.
This is just the grinding machine. It is called hammer mill. The work is to break down all the feed ingredients into smaller units, pieces them, so that you will be able to mix them and use them to produce your own feed. Then, after this is what you see. See the already ground raw materials in powder form. You can see it. It is very simple. And you can get this with a little amount of money. Sell 100 broilers, reserve the profit. Sell the next time, reserve the profit. Within 2 or 3 operations, you are already having this machine in your farm. And it will help you to produce your own feed at a very low cost. After grinding this, you can even use ordinary spade to mix them. Please, if you can't mix them with spade, this is the mixer. This is the industrial mixer. You can see it. This is the industrial mixer. It doesn't cost much also. If you can't produce, you can't have this, you can use ordinary spade. You can even use manual. Use your hand. Put it inside a bowl and turn the whole feed ingredients together. Once you know how to formulate the feed, have the grinding machine, you are already there. If you don't produce your own feed, both the hatchery, the commercial feed dealers, and the feed sellers all make profit from you. You go home crying because your profit has been shared by these 3 groups of people. Start making your own feed today.
Other things you can do it manually. You see, this is probiotic. You can see it. This is my own product. This is a product I designed for the well-being of farmers. You can see it. It is sealed. This is designed for farmers who want to make profit in their poultry and livestock business. Special additives like enzymes, like the probiotic I just showed you now, they are growth enhancers. This is a very good growth enhancer. You can see it. It enhances the growth of your poultry. Both the eggshell, the layers, egg drop quality, it increases. Please, I will stop this video here because I still have another video loading very soon. If you like this particular video, please give it a thumb up. There is a sign there. Tap that sign, that thumb up sign. that will show this particular app that this video is interesting, and they will show it to more farmers. And comment if you have any question regarding feed formulation, poultry and livestock animals rearing, medication and everything. Ask. I will be glad to answer your questions. And we have fan group. If you like this, what I'm giving you here, why not join the fan group? Little amount of money every month will drop. That will help us to make more meaningful video for you and others. Why not join the fan group? So that, and at the same time, we can also promote your own page. We can promote your channel also. We mention your name here also, like Mr. Osai, Prince Osai, who has been helpful to this particular channel. We always mention his name. We always mention Madam Joy, who is always good in commenting. We always mention Mrs. Rose Ebo, who always comments and also contributes ideas to move our channel forward. And George, who have been our fan for long. Others, once you contribute, we always mention your name, mention your channel. Please subscribe to their channels also. Let us move them forward also. Drop your comment and let's move from there. Share this video to reach more farmers as I stop here to load another video very soon. Bye for now.